If you're looking for a location that offers easy access, actual building sets with fully dressed interiors, and on-site catering, then look no further. If you're in need of a venue that offers space to expand, a well-established infrastructure, a reliable workforce, a distribution point through the U.S. postal system, and many tax incentives with 2 foreign trade zones, you'll find it all right here at Santa's Workshop, located in northern New York State. Santa's Workshop is our nation's first theme park, built in 1949. The park predates Disneyland and was visited by Walt Disney Imagineers in the early 1950s to collect ideas. Over the years, this enchanted village has been the background for many nationally and internationally known magazine layouts, TV shows, and special projects. Here's a look at the original Warner Pathé newsreel from the opening in 1949.
Hey kids, imagine being able to visit Santa's Workshop. Well, a mile up on Whiteface Mountain in New York's Adirondacks, Santa has built a new workshop so that more people can visit him. He had to move a lot of things with him, like the lollipop trees that grow around his house. And, of course, he brought the North Pole along, too. These kids are pretty lucky, aren't they? Going right into
Santa's Workshop's original creators were very special men. They did it for the kids, and in an ever-changing world, its basic theme is more important every single day. Today, aside from thousands of tourists, many location scouts and producers visit Santa's Workshop looking for that perfect environment for their production. Recently, the most notable has been NBC's Today Show. The program's Gene Shalit took viewers on a stroll through the park to see the latest ultimate toys from Neiman Marcus.
So this is Santa's Workshop, a theme park in Adirondacks in a town called North Pole, New York. Santa's Workshop. All these people are here with their little kids because it's a great theme park for very little kids. There is Santa Claus. Hey.
Hey, Santa.
Oh, hey, Gene. Hey, Terry. How are you?
How'd you know my name?
I was checking my list, and I had to check it twice when I saw you.
Both the NBC and Neiman Marcus crew were very pleased with the location and stated that it was one of the most successful remotes ever. Details are everywhere at Santa's Workshop. When entering the park, it's the first thing that visitors notice. Even the trash cans are touched with imagination. The Candy Cane Express is a fully operational railroad at quarter scale. You've just seen it in the Neiman Marcus clip, and it winds through the woods and over a covered bridge. The depot, again fully detailed, has plenty of space for lighting and camera positioning. This is a shot of the bandstand area, and the large building in the background is the commissary. There we can accommodate a crew of up to 100 people at a time, so there is no need to worry about hiring a catering company. This is a reverse angle of the bandstand area from the commissary. The festive artwork once again adds a nice touch to what could be a set for a musical piece, or even a project with audience participation. This shot lets you see just how much you can cover from one camera setup. Once again, details are everywhere, as you can see. As we head down the hill into the village itself, the first building we find is home for some very special talent. Reindeer, of course. After all, this is Santa's Workshop. These reindeer are available altogether or on an individual basis as you need them to pose for the camera. They come with professional handlers to ensure success because, as you can see here, these are very powerful animals. The deer are safe to work with, and as they do at the park, they'll add a special sense of realism to any project. Santa works with the reindeer every day, and of course lives the life of the classic St. Nick. His house, like all 24 buildings in the park, is delightfully detailed on the exterior as well as inside. The front room is fully dressed right down to the potbelly stove. Santa's bedroom is cozy and warm, and his parlor comes complete with desk, throne, and fireplace. And if you need the man in red himself, like his reindeer, Santa is available at the park or on any other location that you may require. Back outside, there's a crew of groundskeepers that make the park glow with beautiful colors. That, along with all the imagination, two aspects that translate well to screen, still frame, page, or company image. This is the North Pole itself, a solid pillar of ice in the center of the village. It is surrounded by the flower-lined paths and buildings like this mountain chapel. This is the view from the outside stage area. You get a good idea of the layout of the village itself. One of the most versatile and spacious of all buildings is the toy factory. The interior has a couple of different sets that offer automated props and plenty of space for cast and crew. The toy shop is one complete set in itself, and the larger room has great potential with another set built into the corner. This one sports background props and high ceilings for lighting gear. One building that was closed for cleaning during the day we shot this footage was the candy factory. There, sweets are made for the gift shops. This is one of the gift shops called Christmas Around the World. The glass-blowing shop sparkles with light, and the glass-blowing artist is usually on duty for a lesson or two. Santa's workshop is full of special features, and one of the most important is the United States Post Office, which opened in 1952. Inside, there are real mailboxes and postal signs that carry along with the holiday theme. The official North Pole cancellation bears the mark of Santa himself and is a very unique feature. It's the only one of its kind in the world. Being able to say that makes it perfect for merchandise, cataloging, and promotional opportunities. A manufacturer's product could be sent directly from Santa's workshop with the official North Pole cancellation. And of course, the post office itself is a nice location. This is a clip from a production that a local NBC television station shot a few years ago. As you can see, Santa's workshop is the location for any production that needs a set ready for the cameras. Television, magazines, posters. With its visual impact, Santa's workshop is perfect for any project connected to the media. Manufacturers, or anyone with a product who wants to have a close identification with the big business of Christmas, really has something special to see at Santa's workshop. It is a complex of over 300 acres with 4 warehouse-style buildings that could be tailored to their individual needs. Altogether, the buildings at Santa's workshop total 45,000 square feet. The park offers a carpenter shop, a paint shop, a welding shop, reindeer, Santa, details wherever you look, 24 buildings with interiors that need very little dressing, on-site food service, a railroad, a toy shop, a post office, even overnight lodging less than 1 mile away at the beautiful Holiday Motel. Santa's workshop at the North Pole, New York, is located 12 miles from the Olympic Village of Lake Placid, home of the 1932 and 1980 Winter Games. All around are the breathtaking Adirondack Mountains, and there are 3 international airports, 1 in Burlington, Vermont, and 2 in Montreal, Quebec, Canada, less than 2.5 hours away. Plattsburgh, New York, and Interstate 87, which is a direct link to Albany, Montreal, and New York City, is only 45 minutes east, and there are 2 local airports, one located in Lake Placid and the other in another small hamlet, Saranac Lake. For the industrial viewer, Santa's workshop is less than 1 hour from 2 foreign trade zones and offers clean, quiet locations, very much like Northern Europe. All of the buildings here are capable of handling high-voltage lighting, and the park is available for any amount of time at just about any time of the year. One of the best aspects of the park is the fact that it is located in the middle of the breathtaking Adirondack Mountains. All around is beautiful scenery, a point that is valuable to producer, location scout, photographer, industrial developer, or even a toy manufacturer. Wintertime is the best time to see Santa's workshop. That's when it's at its natural snow-covered beauty, perfect for any kind of project. Magazine layouts, TV shows, reindeer rentals, toy making, product distribution, you name it, Santa's workshop can do it. It's the most user-friendly set in the world. If you have any questions or ideas, feel free to give us a call or fax us today. Santa's workshop is waiting for you. It's magical. And the thing that creates the magic are the people and all of the imagination. Thanks for watching, and Merry Christmas from the Adirondack Mountains.